The consumer alert this morning. Could your toothpaste be linked to unhealthy side effects? Well, depending on its ingredients, it might. One dentist is sounding the alarm on some of the harmful products and urging consumers to pay close attention to that label.
A lot of people might be about to brush their teeth right now.
Yep.
Sabrina Silva joining us live with the ingredients that you need to stay away from when you're trying to keep your mouth clean. Sabrina, what can you tell us?
Yeah, well, Robin Gavir, for the folks at home that are about to start brushing their teeth, well, pause just a second because these are some important things you need to know. What is exactly in the products that you're buying for your oral health? Well, some of these ingredients, according to a dentist, are not so great. Take a look.
Though masks are coming back on, it's still a good idea to keep track of what's going on with our oral health. And let's be honest here, when was the last time you went down a toothpaste aisle and actually looked at what you're putting in your mouth? For dentist Dr. Flora, we should all be paying close attention to the ingredients.
It is all about ingredients. Certain ingredients are fluff, just for marketing purposes. Other ingredients are needed to help you have a healthy mouth.
Dr. says there are several ingredients that you'll see in most of the oral health items on the shelves that you should stay away from. First on the list, alcohol. She says it dries the mouth, which encourages bacteria to thrive. SLS, that can promote canker sores in people who are sensitive to it. Gluten, formaldehyde, essential oils like tea tree oil, which is an antifungal ingredient. And get this, even mint.
Mint, which is in about 98% of toothpaste, dermatologists list as one of the top allergens. But people wouldn't know why they're getting rashes around their mouth.
So what should you look for instead?
Xylitol is a wonderful replacement for your fluoride toothpaste. Baking soda is excellent because it helps neutralize acids in the mouth. And acids are what attack the teeth.